U.S. Coast Guard on Monday, August 25th, announced that it had seized more than 76,000 pounds of narcotics off the coast of Florida, the largest drug offload in the 110-year history of the Maritime Law Enforcement Agency. In a statement, officials said that around 61,740 pounds of cocaine and 14,400 pounds of marijuana were offloaded at Port Everglades, Florida. The total street value of the seizure has been pegged at approximately $473 million. The Coast Guard said the record hauls stem from 19 interdictions carried out between June 26th and August 18th in international waters of the Eastern Pacific and the Caribbean. The operations were a coordinated effort, bringing together 3 Coast Guard cutters, 2 U.S. Navy warships, a Dutch naval vessel, and multiple interagency partners, including the Department of Homeland Security. The contraband was brought to port aboard the Coast Guard cutter Hamilton, which played a central role in the seizures. The missions were carried out in coordination with the Department of Defense, targeting drug-running vessels off the Galapagos Islands of Ecuador, the coasts of Venezuela and Mexico, as well as in waters near the Dominican Republic, Jamaica, and Aruba. Speaking at a news conference in Port Everglades, Coast Guard officer Frank Morano emphasized the scale of the mission, noting that the record seizure was the product of months of coordinated effort. These interdictions and the massive drug haul reflect 4 months of relentless work, not just by the Hamilton's crew, but also by our partner agencies and allied nations, he said. Captain John B. McWhite, commanding officer of the Hamilton, said the cutter's crew alone interdicted 11 high-speed, go-fast vessels, detained 34 suspected traffickers, and seized a record 47,000 pounds of cocaine. The combined haul of 76,140 pounds, 34,500 kilograms, including about 61,740 pounds, 28,000 kilograms, of cocaine, and about 14,400 pounds, 6,500 kilograms, of marijuana marks the largest offload in Coast Guard history. According to reports, the previous record was set in 2021, when 61,130 pounds of illegal drugs were seized